I have 3 different folder IDs and also task IDs that may be not unique. So this task ID number 1 and this task ID number 2. In some other sheet, I have all files from these folders. Folder links, file links. Well, let's go to one of these folders and see. Oh, this is my Google Drive folder, and it is code created by template. So I have several files in this folder, and all these files are listed here. Their full names, their links, and some other info. So let's go back to this folder. See in the browser URL, it has address, Drive Google account, Drive folders, and folder ID. Just copy this ID, go to main file called folder files, and go to sheet folder files, and paste this ID here, and that's it. And add some ID. I already have this folder, so then I'll clear all this sheet, clear it, just delete it, and go to Tools, Script Editor, and launch the only function, test folder files. By the way, I also has an open function. So this creates a custom menu, get folders info, name of function, and I've changed the function. So the function now names test folders files. So or you go to code file and run this code, select function, it's the only function, and click run, or go back to this sheet and then go to menu, get folders info. The script needs some time to run. It's finished now. I'll go back to my folder files and click Ctrl Enter to see logs. Created range, so it's cleared some range and added some info, and the result is 0. It's okay, and the time for the script to run is 15 seconds. It's okay, and I'll go back to my file, see folder files out are filled again, and I have task ID, which is useful if I want to gather 2 folders in one task ID. Now I have this ID, and my folder SheetJobs has only one file, and then task ID number 1 created by template, some other files, and task ID number 2 from file. To use this file and code and sample, just copy file, the link is below the video, and also see in its settings. You may not change anything here. It's all set. Here's leave blank to use this file. It's for output, and folders files out. It's the name for output sheet. You may not change it, or change if you want to put the result to another file and another sheet. And that's it. Thank you.